Do you know many people are having trouble with reducing fuel consumption in their cars? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Clean air filter. Keep your air cleaner free of dust to reduce intake resistance and improve fuel efficiency. Step 2. Minimize weight. Remove any unnecessary cargo to avoid extra weight, which leads to higher fuel consumption. Step 3. Check tire pressure. Ensure your tires are inflated to the correct pressure to decrease rolling resistance and save fuel. Step 4. Drive smoothly. Accelerate gradually and avoid rapid speed changes to maintain a steady speed and save fuel. Step 5. Regular maintenance. Regularly service your vehicle as per the manufacturer's schedule to keep it in optimal condition. Step 6. Use cruise control. Use cruise control on highways to maintain a constant speed and reduce fuel consumption. By following these steps, you should be able to make your Suzuki Swift 2017 more fuel efficient. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Suzuki users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.